Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
He who alleged must do us. Let them prove. If I'm not carrying the members along, that is secondary. It's secondary. So we will discuss that, not now. At my own time, when everything has been addressed, I'll come back to you and I'll explain everything. We have documents to support whatever expedition we have incurred in the Lagos State House of Assembly. And if any other person believes contrarily, let them bring their own document. So we will compare document to document. Simple.
Also, let's talk about you. You said you had an ambition of becoming a governor of Lagos State.
Having ambition to become a governor is not a sin, is it? However, I've said it on the floor of the House when the budget was presented that I had no thought of governorship. But that does not mean what? That I'm not qualified or I lack experience. So, and I still maintain that position. But in the whole of Lagos State, let any leader, anybody come out to explain that Obasa approached me and he says that he wants to become a governor. It's as simple as that.
Okay, sir. Then when you heard that you were what after you came